Hey YouTube, back with another one. Have an '08 SXT Dodge Caravan, stow and go. We are doing a blower motor. I've already got this down, protective covering. It's on the passenger side, as you see, right under the glove box. It's ticking, kind of making a weird vibration. I took it out and cleaned it up. It helped, but better be safe than sorry. This is my lady's van. She drives it every day with the child, so I really don't want them to not have heat. Ordered a new blower motor, and we'll get this put in. I'll get right back with you. Okay. Tools you're going to need. It's a T20 Torx head. You can see that. Listed there. That's a cheap Walmart tool kit. But hey, it's got tools. We will use them. Sounds like a plan to me. There's only three screws holding it in there. Like I said, I've had it out before. It's not that bad to take out. The plug here has a little push button on this side here, a little tab. Push it in, pull it out. Comes right out, no problems. Or at least for me. We got another one here. Let's do this again so you can see better. We got one here, and one back over here. It's kind of hard to film and do this at the same time, so I am going to pull the other ones. This one, already pulled that one, got the plug, this one back here, and I will get right back with you. Okay, we're back. It's only been just a very short few minutes. Got it out, and you just gotta kind of wiggle it around so you can get it out of there. See? This is the old one. It sucks in from the top, blows out of here. So if you want, while you're doing this, look up in there. Make sure there's nothing protruding or anything that is going to jam up your new one. Or possibly if you're just going to keep using the old one. I don't see anything. I went ahead and ordered my new parts from Rock Auto. It was a lot cheaper. Some things are just better off ordering yourself online. You go to the parts store and they tell you they got to order it. Well, you probably just go order it yourself. Might save you some money and some time. Most of the parts stores are pretty fast, but you can see the difference. Look at the difference here. See how clean that is? Looks good, right? Look how filthy this one is. I even had it out like a week ago and cleaned it up, and it's still just, it's filthy, man. So, out with the old, in with the new. I will get it started, and I will get right back with you. Okay, I'm back. Got the new blower motor in. I ended up having to alternate the back screws. There's not a lot of clearance on this back wall part, even without this out the way. Without this in the way, it's still kind of hard to get to these back screws. And this is kind of long. I suppose if you had a short handled one, say about yay big, it'd probably work a lot better than something this long. I grabbed this out of the tool kit and just put the T20 in like so, and tightened it with this. It just seemed a lot easier, seemed logic. But yeah, that's it. We'll turn her on, see how she does. Okay, on. Okay, she blowing air like she's supposed to. Cool. Yeah. All that's left to do is put the cover back on here. This was rather easy. A lot of people have a real hard time doing this. A lot of cars are very, very technical. You got to take, oh man, all types of things apart. But the only way to find out is to try. I've never done this before. This is the first time me ever doing this. Figured I'd share with you guys. Back together. Everything's how it's supposed to be. And we're golden. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. I'll have more to come. This is Adam. Out.